Hey y'all, I know it's been a while, but I'm back on YouTube. I've missed y'all so much. First of all, I want to say I am a little under the weather, and it is like 7 o'clock in the morning, but I want to get this video out before the day ends. I want to say thank y'all for giving me patience while I took a little break on this platform. It may have been a year or two, but I'm back now. That's all that matters. Life has been a little crazy. I've been focused on TikTok and Instagram for a while now, which has been amazing in its own way. But YouTube, I feel like it's had a different connection with you all on a deeper level, especially when it comes to my wig reviews and styling tips and long-term updates. Honestly, I've been itching to get back here. I've just been trying to find my groove, find the passion in it that I once had. So I'd rather just give no content, give like half done content that's very lazily done and just no good for anybody all around. But what you can expect from me is more wig reviews. I also want to do more vlogs. I have a lot of traveling that will be done the year 2025. So I hope you guys can look forward towards that. I feel like just me coming back, I want to give more content and just find my passion for it again. Find my passion for the beauty, the wigs, and the fashion, and the vlogs, all of that. So I want to say thank y'all for sticking with me. If you're still here of my many years of being on this platform, and if you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want to, so we continue this journey together. Can't wait to get back into it. I have so much exciting content planned. And for this wig here, we have a beautiful wig from Outre, and you guys can watch the video and see how I install it. And yeah, bye y'all.